management streamlines and optimizes HVAC service operations, including installation, maintenance, repair, and inspection jobs. This video will show how HVAC businesses can improve efficiency and customer satisfaction using Zuper. We are now looking at the dashboard of a commercial HVAC business. The dashboard gives an overview of the job statistics, team availability, job schedule, service contracts, and more. Let's start by creating an air conditioner asset in Zuper. Click on Assets in the left navigation bar. Using asset management, you can monitor and manage your and your customer's asset life cycle, automate preventive maintenance tasks, and maintain a complete record of every asset. Click on New Asset. Enter the asset code as AC140. Enter the asset name as Portable Air Conditioner. Select the asset category as Commercial Air Conditioning Systems. Choose the asset status as Installed. Select the asset ownership as Owned by Customer. Enter the purchase price as $1,000. Enter the useful life as 15 years. Let's associate the customer with the asset. Click on Choose Customer. Select the customer and the corresponding address from the pop-ups. You can use the same address for the billing contact as the service contact. Now that you have filled in the necessary information, let's save the asset. Now let's create a commercial air conditioner maintenance contract. Click on Contracts in the left navigation bar. You can manage your customer contracts here. Click on New Contract. Let's choose the customer and the address. Let's move on to contract details. Enter the contract name as Air Conditioner Maintenance Contract. Enter the contract term as 36 months. Pick the contract start date. The contract expiry date is pre-filled based on the contract term. Enter a relevant contract description. Let's associate the previously created asset with this contract. Move to the next tab and add parts or services to the contract. Enter the required quantity and click on Add. Moving on to the invoice section, you can view the invoice details. Let's choose to auto-generate the invoices. You can view the billing schedules below. Finally, let's move to the last section to preview the details and save the contract. The contract is saved successfully. Click on Approve Contract. Enter the approval remarks as Approved by Customer. Click on Approve. The contract is approved successfully. Let's create a planned preventive maintenance schedule for the asset. Click on Assets in the left navigation bar. Choose the asset we created. Click on New PPM. You can associate the PPM with a contract. Choose the relevant part/service for the PPM. Choose the priority. Let's auto-generate jobs for the PPM. You can choose to generate the jobs before a certain number of days. Choose the job category. Let's move on to PPM schedule. You can pick the frequency in which PPM should be scheduled. Enter the frequency period. Pick the next service date. You can view the scheduled dates below. Let's create the PPM. Let's look into the Jobs module. Here, you can manage the incoming work orders and service requests end-to-end. You can see that the job has been auto-generated for the PPM. Now let's see how you can efficiently dispatch a technician for the job. Zuper's intelligent dispatching efficiently allocates jobs appropriately so that the right person is always at the right place with the right information. Click on Dispatch Board in the left navigation bar. You can view the technician's schedule for the day. In the Jobs view on the left, you can view the unassigned jobs. You can view the PPM job we just created. Drag and drop the job against the technician in the Scheduler view against the time frame to schedule. In the Schedule Job pop-up, you can view the job start and end times and the assigned user. Click on Update. The job is dispatched to the right technician successfully. Now let's log into the technician's mobile app. The Zuper mobile app equips your field technicians with customer data, job details, parts and service details, invoicing, and real-time communication capabilities. Under Notifications, you can view the job. Let's click on it. You can view the job details, including schedule, category, priority, and customer location. Let's accept the job. On the job details view, you can view the associated assets. You can also update site images and other details as notes to the job. Using the inbuilt chat application, you can also chat with the back office staff or manager. You can request more information or assistance. After the job is completed, the field technician can update the job status as completed. To do so, click on Status. Select Change Status. Select Completed from the list of available statuses. Click on Submit. The job status is updated successfully. In summary, we created a commercial air conditioner asset, created a maintenance contract, set up planned preventive maintenance schedules for the asset, auto-generated PPM jobs, and interacted with the job on the mobile app. Do you want to optimize your field processes using Zuper? Schedule a demo with us today.